everyone, I'm Usman. I'm recording this video with the front camera of the Samsung Galaxy A72. So yes, in this video I'm going to do camera review of the Samsung Galaxy A72. I unboxed it and used it for the few days, and now I thought to share my experience of its camera with you so you can get the idea of its camera quality. In this video I will talk about its specifications of the camera app, and then I will share its camera samples of wide, ultra wide, 4K, 1080p, slow motion, super slow motion, everything, so you can get the idea of its camera quality. So for that, let's begin the video. So first, let's put some number on the table. Galaxy A72 has quad camera on the back. The main sensor is 64 megapixel with optical image stabilization, then 8 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro, and then the front camera is 32 megapixel. And no doubt photo quality of the Samsung Galaxy A72 is impressive. Colors are natural and I saw no oversaturation. In portrait mode, edge detection is awesome. You can see how perfectly it detected the petals of flower. And both normal and portrait modes are working best for photos. And in ultra wide, best part is that details and color tone is good than all the other phones which have ultra wide in this budget range. Shadows are also fine and good. So overall, Galaxy A72 really takes good and decent photos in the photo mode. Normally it takes photo with 16 megapixel, but we have 64 megapixel option also available for high resolution photos if you need to crop image at some point. I saw no major difference between 16 and 64 megapixel except high resolution. If you take photo with 64 megapixel, then you have advantage to crop it as much as you want. So here you can see, on zooming both, we still have decent quality and details on 64 megapixel image than the 16 megapixel. Now, here is the difference between wide and ultra wide. As usual, wide is working best, but on Galaxy A72 ultra wide is also good. Ultra wide capturing good details, but sometimes in few images it's not so impressive. Here you can see. But still its ultra wide is good than other phones in this budget range. Here I am sharing more wide and ultra wide photos so you can get more idea about its camera. The Galaxy A72 works well on one object in less spacey area, while in open area you may lose some quality and details. Portrait shots are awesome even in the low light. Here you can see. In low light, edge detection is still so impressive. And in macro shots, Galaxy A72 is not bad here also, taking good macro shots than the other phones available in this budget. But seriously, I'm not fan of the macro lens. I mean, who need this? Is it just there to increase the number of lens? Let's talk about videos. We can record video with 720p, 1080p and 4K at 30 fps. 60 and 120 fps is not available. In 4K, video quality is little bit better. Focus is not so fast. Even sometimes we need to tap on object for focus. In 1080p, seriously quality is horrible. Will you believe me or not? But here you can see. Maybe you can judge. And we all know that there is optical image stabilization on this phone, but it's not so impressive. Here see both videos with and without optical image stabilization. There is no major difference. Maybe it's totally not working or it's not so good. And here I'm including slow motion and super slow motion videos. And keep in mind that in super slow motion there is no motion detection available. And if you talk about night mode, it's not best, but at least it's better than all the other phones available in this budget range. Sometimes working very good, but in extreme low light it creates noise in photos and sometimes unable to focus on object. And next, last but not least, and that is the front camera, which is 32 megapixel. Samsung Galaxy A72 takes really decent selfies in both normal and in portrait mode. Edge detection even on the front camera is really impressive. Here you can see both normal and portrait photos together. You can observe the quality of the edge detection here. In selfies, colors are natural, no oversaturation, and color tone is also very good. But in low light, like these photos, I took these photos in the room. It's okay here, not so good. There is a little bit noise in the photos. And now it's time for final thoughts. Galaxy A72 takes really good wide shots, no doubt there, and ultra-wide is also good, not so bad. But video quality of the Galaxy A72 is not so good. In 1080p it's horrible, and in 4K it's a little bit better. And one thing more, that there is no 60 and 120 FPS available on this phone, and video stabilization, it's not so good, or if I say it's not there. And in low light it takes good shots with excellent edge detection, there is no doubt. So overall this camera is only for those who want to take good photos in good sunlight, and for those who love to take selfies. But it will be not good choice for those people who love to record videos all the time. Maybe Samsung fix the stabilization issues in any upcoming updates. If that will happen, I will try to notify on my channel. So this was the camera review of the Samsung Galaxy A72. What do you say about its camera quality? Please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then please like the video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.